What's up, y'all? It's Nasia from All Things Nasia, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this onesie using print then cut. This is a relatively easy project for beginners as long as you follow these steps. Now, my printer was running out of ink, so that is why the Grinch is looking a little yellow. But this was purely just for video purposes only. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a shirt just like this. And if you are interested in learning how to do print then cut shirts and garments, just keep on watching. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and you're going to go to Google and type in whatever you want to put on the shirt. I'm going to type in Grinch because I had just got done watching it. And then I'm going to type in clip art, and this basically will pull up images that are friendly for inserting into Design Space because they have white backgrounds normally, and they're easy to delete. So I'm going to go through and find whatever picture I think looks best. And after going through a few of them, I decided to go with this one, this Grinch and the Devious Smile. And I'm going to save that in my computer under Grinch. Next, I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space. And then I'm going to click New Project. After clicking New Project, you want to click Upload and then Upload Image. Then you want to press Browse and click the image that you downloaded. Then I'm going to use the complex setting and press Continue. Then I'm going to use the wand to delete the white background from the photo and press Continue. Then save it as a print then cut image. This is what is going to make sure that your photo comes out in color and not just a black blob. Then I'm going to resize the image. I was just trying out different sizes, but I figured that 6x7 would be the best to go onto the onesie. So it ends up looking like this. Then we're going to press Make It. Then after pressing Make It, you're going to press Continue. And these are the transfer sheets that I'm using. These are the dark t-shirt transfer sheets by Taylor. They do come 10 sheets in a pack, and I enjoy using these because they come out pretty clear. I decide to use dark even if I'm going to be using a white shirt because I just feel that they come out way more nice and vivid. So I pick out the sheet that I'm going to use and follow the directions. The directions on these sheets specifically say not to mirror your image. So I'm just going to put it in the printer as is after reading the directions and begin printing. So here you see me pressing Continue, and then you're going to see me press Send to Printer. Then you want to make sure that you turn off the add bleed function. You do not want to add bleed. Turn it off, people. Turn it off. Then I'm printing my image out. And as you can see, my printer was running out of ink, but I want to use all the ink. So since this is just going to be a onesie that my kids wear, and I might snag a few pictures in, then, so be it. Just use the ink. Then you see me attaching this transfer sheet to my Cricut mat and turning on my Cricut Explorer Air 2. Press the arrow button and then press the Cricut button. it will scan your photo and begin to cut your photo out. Then eject it and remove the sheet from your mat. Now you just see me putting the onesie on the heat press, and I'm going to press out the wrinkles. And as you can see, I was having a pretty hard time. I need to adjust the settings of my heat press. But this just basically preps the fabric for the transfer. And I do this whether I'm doing a transfer or if I'm doing vinyl. Then you want to take the transfer and put it on to your garment and adjust it how you want it. Here's an important step. Make sure you use parchment paper. Then you basically just see me putting it down, starting the heat press, and waiting the time. It takes 40 seconds usually. Then I'm going to release. And this is what the onesie is looking like, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I tried to be straight to the point. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will be back with another video very soon. Bye.